Well, hello, guys. Well, got this new screen protector, right? Spent almost $60. Talk about the packaging. I already done opened it mostly, but look at this, though. I mean, goodness gracious. Oh. I mean, like, more packaging. More packaging. Like, just to open one. Just to get the thing out. Oh my god. Jeez, I never seen so much packaging for one thing. What is this? An envelope. Oh, all these lovely things. Okay, so they had to be in their own little envelope. Okay, all right. Another envelope. All that for one little screen protector. Okay. It's for my new phone I just bought. Let's see if I can open it here. Like, I haven't opened it or activated it yet because I was waiting on my screen protector come through the mail. $60. All this packaging. They really pack things up. Why did it look like you got some dust on it? I just got the iPhone 15. Trying to make my phone bill cheaper. So, oh my god. Look at that. Everything just falling out. It's a cute phone. Cute little phone. So cute. Now, how do you put this on here? What else is in this box? Anything else in the box? No. What's this stuff? What am I supposed to do with an Apple sticker, huh? Let me know. What am I supposed to do with it? What's the point of them? I don't get it. I know back in the days we would put them on our laptops, but I was back then. What we do with them now? Oh, no longer need a physical SIM card. Well, I'm not finna activate it right now. Not today. I don't have time. But anyhow, new charger. Oh, it's beaded or braided or whatever. It's no longer that plastic stuff like this one over here. Okay, plastic. This one is braided. Okay, nice. And this one, great charger, but look at it, it's falling apart. I guess you can see Tango over there chewing on the ball. She chewing on it and she eating it. Okay, let me see how do I put this screen protector on. Where's the instructions? I know it's messy, but guess what? I can work in my chaos. Okay, so I'm not talking. Hey, am I not talking? Sir, I'm talking. Anywho. Alright. Somehow put the phone on it. Put it like that. Okay. Yeah. Set the phone like that. What? You make it. Oh well. Well, I guess I gotta take this off. Ooh. Ooh, look at that. Okay, so I'm not talking. Look at that. Cute. I'm checking to see if any dust on it, but I guess I should just dust this stuff off. What is this? Oh, a dust remover. What is this? Oh, okay. Alcohol. Okay. Look at that. Is this to dry it off? Smooth it on off? That's sure. I know you want to bark so bad. I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm just doing stuff. Don't judge me, judge your mom. Whatever. Look good to me. Here it is. Okay, can I get it out of the thing? Goodness. Come on. Come on out the room. Come on. Out the room. There we go. Here we go. Now which side first? Peel this layer first. Okay. Which layer? I don't know which layer it's supposed to peel. This one? So it's supposed to go like this? Huh? What in the world? Okay. I don't understand. How you supposed to not touch it? What? I don't understand. What is this for? I don't get it. I should have watched a YouTube video. And I'm making a YouTube video. Whatever. Like that. I guess. Oh, I see. Oh, that's what that's for. That's what that's for. Oh, I get it now. Look at that. Man, I know. I took forever. Oh, look. That's how you do that. Oh, those little nodules that were on there. That's what that's for. I had no idea. Okay. All right. How I got bubbles in this? Why is there air bubbles in this? I still got air bubbles in here. Oh, am I supposed to smooth them out? Like air bubbles. I guess you do it like this. I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing. Isn't it like something to smooth it out? I don't know. Or is that just this thing? Someone like knows people on my phone. Whew, I think that's how you do it. I don't know. It look pretty air bubble free to me. Yeah. Let's take this part off. Oh, looks great. got some dirt on it. Let me get the dust off. Okay, this is the first time I ever had a smooth one on here. It's so smooth. There's still bubble. Alright. Looks great. I love it. Yeah. How is there dust? Where is the dust coming from? Oh my god. Dusty. Dust. Anyhow, well that's that. Now I got it. I got new. Let's see. You can't see what my current phone case looks like because I'm using it right now. So yeah. Oh, it came with some screen protectors too. Oh, I didn't know that. They just regular. Who want regular screen protector? I should not never lose my phone. Okay, I should be able to find my phone at always, wherever it may be. It's yellow. My current one right now is orange. Hot orange. You can't see it because I'm using it right now. Well, how is there dust? Oh my god. Lots of cleaning. Gotta clean the back. Okay. Before you put it in the case, you know, I just opened it out of the box. I just took it out of the box. Oh, get off my hand. Oh my god. Okay. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, look at that. It's so cute. Cute and smooth. Okay, I think that's it. Why is there dust? Where is the dust coming from? Oh, it's so dusty around here. Dusty. Really dusty. Oh, so dusty. Oh my god, look at this dust. Okay, it's not dust, it's dirt. Okay? Dirt. We passed dust. We got dirt. Alright. Here we go. Putting it in its new case. Does it fit? Oh, it fits! It fits! Oh yeah! Okay, this is for my iPhone 14 Pro Max phone. But I hadn't had a chance to open this one and use it yet because I just haven't. I hadn't got tired of my other one. And so, well, here we are. And this one fits. Wow. Look at that. This was for my iPhone 14. But there you go. Oh, see that? Look, there you go. You can see it. It's orange. Wait, hold on. I can't work the camera. Let me. Boop, boop. There you go. It's an orange camera. See that? Orange. This one is yellow. I had a hot pink, but I got tired of that one. So here we are. Ooh, I might activate it later, like next week. Alright, that's it for that. Put it back in its box until I'm ready. Oh my god. I'm just putting everything back in there. What's this? I don't need none of this stuff. None of this. Trash. Trash. Oh, it was facing the other way. Okay. Like that. Okay. Look at that. This box. What is this? Back in the box it goes. Until I'm ready to come back to it, it'll be in here. That's it. There you go. Okay. Throw this stuff away. Just make sure there's no less in there. This is the screen protector I got. Zag. Okay, yes. Better be worth my money, that's for sure. Gotta have some extra screen protector just in case this will break one day. And I got a bunch more. A whole bunch of them. Maybe I should put it in. Oops. They don't have this one no more. This phone case. Anyway, that's that. Thanks for watching.